So now I decided I'll try practicing putting wires onto these bright LEDs. So first off, I'm going to kind of clean off the tip of the soldering iron right there. I already have the wire longer than I want, just because we're going to attach the wire, and then later on I will adjust the length. So I think what I'm going to do now is just set the wire onto the pad right there, holding it still. I got solder on the iron, and so to begin with, I'm just kind of tacking on the solder right there. So this isn't all the solder we're going to use, and it does grip, you know, fairly quickly right there. You don't have to hold it forever. But yeah, I'm just going to keep repeating this process and holding the wire so that it doesn't move around a lot until I got as much solder on there as I desire. And I think that's probably good enough right there. So now we just put that wire on that pad right there. Again, I'm going to clean this off a little bit, put a little bit of solder on before you do that most of the time. But in case we had a little bit of extra solder on there, I cleaned it off. So I'm going to get a little ball of solder on there. When it comes to this LED module right here, I'm going to put the wire where I want it on the pad. And then I'm going to transfer that solder that is on the iron. And I aim better when I'm not filming right there. I can keep it centered when I'm not filming, but for some reason, you know, the camera is where I want to actually look. So yeah, just kind of tack that on, and it will settle in a little bit. You know, strengthens pretty quick right there. And I'm going to put a little bit more on there, and again, holding it and then transfer it. And I find that's a pretty effective way right there to get a strong connection